Hi, I'm Bill Farnsworth. Welcome to Tips for Your Toolbox. These free painting tutorials will address the common problems that students face in painting. Today's tip, value. Okay, we're back again, and as you can see, because we're so low budget here, I put my palette up next to my painting, and I've got a light drawing as to where my shapes want to go. I've just put out a basic primary palette, and I've made a mother pile of all these colors to just have a neutral to go back to. This color right here is my known value, which I believe is going to be in the tree. That's going to be the known dark, and you can start anywhere. It could be the sky or wherever. So I'm just going to block this shape in. I'm not too worried about temperature or anything like that because this is just pure value. Okay, so one known value there. The next value next to that will be this rich green. And so the essential thing that you've got to remember is to mix right next to that value. I've got blue, yellow is going to make a green, but I've got to match the value right next to what I just put down. Now the temperature is more or less, I'm not worried about exact color match. It's all about the value. So if that's your known value, and I can see the contrast right next to that last value I put down, I can lay in the next value. I think I might have to go a little bit lighter. That might be about right. Now I don't have to continue, I just need to stay tight to this area right here. The next value is going to be some of the lightest lights, which will be in the sky and that back field here. The field is going to need to be considerably lighter. So I'm going to mix that color right up next to what I just put down. It's got some green in it, but it's fairly warm because it's out in the sunshine. Maybe neutralize it just a little bit. So that looks about right. If I paint this right up next to the dark and the mid-tone that I just put down, or mid-dark, then I have three values working. The background, again, I'm working off of, that was the known value, to this known dark, mid-dark, and one of the lightest lights. So I'm going to get a value that will compare to all of these. So it's going to be fairly cool in the background, and with hillsides we're going to go darker than what we just put down, and I want to go a little cooler. It looks about right, maybe slightly lighter. But you got to trust your palette at this point. Painting right up next to what you just put down is essential in oil painting, so because everything about painting is comparisons. I can continue on over here, but at least I know where I am right here. Um, go back to this color, it's about the same value. My reference color is a much brighter green, but this is just pure value that I want to concentrate on. Okay. Again, lightest lights, I can adjust my color in the background, go a little lighter. And then because I've got this known value, which can get lighter and darker, but it's generally the right value because we know it's going to be lighter than this tree. The background is going to be, or the sky will be a pale blue. I'm comparing it right up next to that, and I've compared it down here to all these different colors that I put down. So again, this is starting with just 3 values to work out the darkest darks, lights, midtones, and from there you'll have everything that you need in order to continue. You'll be going darker and lighter and lighter and darker, but these main shapes will anchor the painting and get you closer to where you want to go quickly. And that is today's segment.